Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable circle to search on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not have the circle to search feature by default. But if you want to enable circle to search on your Samsung phone, then open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, tap on Accept and select as Assistant app. Then tap on Go to Settings and tap on Digital Assistant app. From here, just select Circle to Search and tap on OK. After that, just go back. And from here, just go to your home screen. Now, to use Circle to Search on your Samsung phone, just tap and hold on the home button of your Samsung phone. Then tap on Got it. And from here, you can circle on anything on the screen to search it. For example, I will circle on this icon. And as you can see, it has searched, which I have circled. You can use this feature on your home screen, and also you can use this feature in any other app. For example, if I open this app, now just tap and hold on the home button of your Samsung phone. And from here, you will be able to circle on anything on the screen to search it. Just like that. And this is how you can enable circle to search on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.